Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Milwaukee Work Pants are probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any serious tradesperson or DIY enthusiast, offering a unique blend of durability, comfort, and functionality designed to withstand the rigors of demanding job sites and everyday wear. These aren't just any pants, they're engineered with reinforced stitching, specialized pocket placements for tools, and materials that provide excellent breathability and flexibility, ensuring you stay comfortable and productive throughout your workday, no matter the conditions. Number 5. Men's Ripstop Water-Resistant Cargo Pants. Conquer any adventure with these rugged cargo pants. Designed to keep you dry and comfortable, they're perfect for any outdoor activity. Stay organized on the go with ample storage. Multiple pockets ensure all your essentials are easily accessible, no matter where you are. These pants are crafted for the demands of hiking and work. Their robust construction offers reliability in challenging environments. Experience the tactical advantage with a design that prioritizes both utility and freedom of movement. They offer a secure and comfortable fit for active pursuits. From trails to tough jobs, these pants are your go-to choice. Embrace durability and functionality for all your outdoor endeavors. What we like. These pants offer exceptional durability with their ripstop fabric, making them ideal for tough conditions. They are also water-resistant, keeping you comfortable in unpredictable weather. If you need reliable pants for outdoor activities like hiking or demanding work, these are a great choice. What people say. These pants are made with a durable fabric that holds up well to tough jobs. The reinforced knees and pockets add extra durability where it's needed most. Multiple pockets provide ample storage for tools and essentials. Number 4. Milwaukee M1818V Cordless Power Tool Combo Kit. Introducing the Milwaukee M1818V Cordless Power Tool Combo Kit. This versatile kit is designed to handle a wide range of tasks with power and precision. The hammer drill driver is perfect for drilling into various wood types and masonry. Easily switch between 3 drill settings and 18 torque settings for optimal control. Tackle branches, lumber, and pipes with the hacksaw reciprocating saw. Its quick-change blade system and lightweight design make overhead work effortless. Driving lag bolts and fasteners is a breeze with the 1/4-inch hex impact driver. Its variable speed trigger and built-in LEDs ensure clean and efficient work, even in low light. Illuminate your workspace with the durable work light. Its adjustable, sealed aluminum head and flat base allow for hands-free operation in any condition. This kit includes 2 3.0 amp-hour batteries and a charger. RedLink Intelligence optimizes power and prevents overheating for extended tool life. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides a hammer drill, impact driver, reciprocating saw, and work light, covering a wide range of tasks. It's powered by efficient M18 batteries with intelligent management. If you're a professional or serious DIYer looking for a powerful and versatile set of tools to tackle various projects, this combo kit is an excellent investment. What people say. The hacksaw was a great idea. I love how compact and powerful it is. I use the drill daily to drill holes in pipe and it never has any trouble. The batteries charge quickly and last a long time. It is very convenient to have the power level on the batteries. Number 3. Milwaukee Leather LKM 5790 Men's Classic 5-Pocket Pants. Introducing the Milwaukee Leather LKM 5790. These classic 5-pocket pants offer a timeless look with modern comfort for everyday wear. Crafted for durability, these pants are perfect for any occasion. Their versatile design makes them a staple in any wardrobe. Featuring the iconic 5-pocket styling, these pants provide both functionality and a classic aesthetic. You'll appreciate the familiar layout and ample storage. Made from high-quality leather, they offer a premium feel and long-lasting wear. Experience the difference that quality materials make. Designed for a comfortable and flattering fit, these pants are a must-have for any man. Enjoy the perfect blend of style and practicality. Trust in the quality and craftsmanship of Milwaukee leather. These pants are built to last and designed to impress. What we like. These pants feature a timeless 5-pocket design, offering a familiar and comfortable fit for daily wear. They are designed for versatility and ease of use. If you're looking for a dependable pair of pants that blend classic style with everyday comfort, these are a solid option for your wardrobe. What people say. The leather is heavy-duty and high quality. The stitching is perfect. This is some decent thick leather and quality definitely seems to exceed cost. For me, this is an alternative to chaps for maybe more complete coverage for wind and rain deflection. The quality and thickness of the leather is first rate. The legs are extra long as you are expected to cut them to length. Number 2. Milwaukee Leather MDM 5000 Men's Motorcycle Denim Jeans. Introducing the Milwaukee Leather MDM 5000, designed for the modern rider. Experience unparalleled protection and comfort on every journey. These pants come equipped with CE-certified armor, offering robust protection for your ride. Ride with confidence knowing you're well protected. Enhanced with aramid fibers, these jeans provide superior abrasion resistance. This reinforcement ensures durability and safety in critical areas. Crafted from durable denim, they offer a classic look with modern riding functionality. Enjoy the perfect blend of style and performance. The City Limit Black colorway offers a versatile and stylish aesthetic. They are perfect for both casual wear and serious riding. Designed for long rides, they provide exceptional comfort without compromising on durability. These are your go-to pants for any adventure. What we like. Designed for motorcycle riders, these jeans offer CE-approved armor for protection and are reinforced with aramid fibers for added durability. They provide a blend of safety and style for the road. If you prioritize safety and protection while enjoying your motorcycle rides, these armored riding jeans are a must-have. What people say. Warm but not unbearable at 85°F with a wicking layer underneath. Legs are long off the bike but perfect length on. Comfort-wise, these are great. Baggy fit, similar to how jeans were in the aughts. I wear a 36 by 32 and these fit just like my other jeans. I don't feel restricted at all and can comfortably ride without feeling like I'm wearing a snowsuit or circus tent. Not too heavy, but very substantial. I ordered black, which is not really black, more gray. Still nice. Number 1. Milwaukee Leather MDM 5002 Men's Motorcycle Denim Jeans. Introducing the Milwaukee Leather MDM 5002 Men's Motorcycle Denim Jeans. Designed for the modern rider, these jeans offer a blend of style and protection. Equipped with CE-certified armor, these jeans provide essential impact protection for your rides. Ride with confidence knowing you're covered. Featuring reinforcement with aramid fibers, these jeans are built for durability and abrasion resistance. They are designed to withstand the demands of the road. The stylish Metro Blue color adds a touch of modern flair to your riding gear. Look good while staying safe on your motorcycle. Experience the perfect combination of comfort and safety with these reinforced denim jeans. They are ideal for everyday motorcycle riding. Trust in the quality and craftsmanship of Milwaukee Leather. These jeans are a testament to their commitment to rider safety and satisfaction. What we like. These riding jeans combine CE-approved armor and aramid fiber reinforcement with a stylish Metro Blue denim finish. They offer robust protection without compromising on appearance. If you want riding pants that look great and provide essential safety features for your motorcycle journeys, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The knee pads are solid. They seem of very good quality. The knee pads fell in place to cover my knees. These jeans look good and are comfortable. The overall fit of the jeans was good. Fit exactly as I expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.